equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. First, disconnect your Dyson SV12 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the handle of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the handle to access the internal components. Inside, you will see the trigger mechanism. Take a moment to inspect it for any visible damage. If the trigger appears worn or broken, it's time to replace it. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry the old trigger out of its housing. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Now, take your new trigger and align it with the housing. Press it firmly into place until you hear a click, indicating it is secured. Before reassembling the handle, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the vacuum. Use a soft cloth or a brush to ensure everything is clean. Once you've completed the cleaning, it's time to reassemble the handle. Align the two halves of the handle and replace the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. After securing the handle, reconnect your Dyson SV12 to the power source. Test the new trigger to ensure it functions correctly. If it feels loose or unresponsive, double-check the installation to ensure everything is in place. Finally, if you encounter any issues or prefer not to tackle this repair yourself, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our service includes a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Plus, with no calls and no travel, we make it easy for you to get your vacuum back in working order. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the trigger on your Dyson SV12. Enjoy your clean home with your fully functional vacuum. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.